What is up, guys? I got LiPO here because two reasons. I don't have a battle for today. I didn't have the chance to record anything, or I don't know. I think I was just lazy. And I was planning to record the LiPO with Leo today, but Leo is busy today, so I can do it. So I'm going to record this. I have hyper offensive brain. I have Spec Skyogre because Spec Skyogre is the best Skyogre in the game, in my opinion. I have Tentacruel just to spin off hazards stuff, and Toxic to catch Calm My Narcissus on the switching. So it doesn't even have Toxic spikes; it has Ice Beam. I have a Scarfrachi with Trick, obviously, and U-turn Ice Punch. That's all. I have Scarf Terrakion. I have Specs Kindra because it's rain. I want to run kill Kindra because like so much time I don't use a Kindra in Ubers, and I just love it. So yeah, I add Dextrine Killer Arceus, the only good Arceus. So yeah, I'm just going to use the same. You see another Manaphy teams. I'm just working on them, and yeah, let's just use this one because it's easy to use. As you can see, I have 4 choice Pokemon. I don't really understand when I got to that point, but I guess I can't really help it. Let's see what you're actually fully. Fuck you. Okay. Let's go for U-turn. I'm more than sure she's going to Water Spout. If he thunders, I'm gonna cry. Yeah. Let's go for Dragon Pulse. Wait, no. He could switch out into Lugia, predicting my Dragon move because it's the best thing he has to take one. Or he has like 10 dragons to take a water move, so what I'm gonna do is go for Draco Meteor. Yes, nice. He has to fire something to that Kindra because Kindra is just a threat. Even if let's go for Rachi. And Joel is scarred, so hopefully I'll take it out with an Ice Punch. Do I have my Scarf still? Yes. Yeah. Wow. One hit KO. What do you know? Rayquaza is 4 times weak too. Let's switch to Rakion. What? What? Are you serious? Arceus normal with Will-O-Wisp. Hello? Are you serious? No. No. Man, no. God damn. He's just going to recover stall me. Man. I don't understand. I'm gonna fucking trick you. I don't care if my Jirachi is burned. You just stop that Arceus from sweeping me. Specs Kindra friend. Ah, wow. Dude, does he have so... Why are you laughing at me? Ah ha ha. Die. No, wow. That's not funny, sir. I just lost my Kindra. That's not funny at all. I have Shallow Force because Lugia tends to have Whirlwind, and they tend to switch in Lugia to an Arceus, so yeah, you know. He most likely has superpower. And now I'm going to break the Psycho boost in case he has. Oh, yeah, you have that thing. Freeze, please. Freeze, please. Freeze, please. Can I have a freeze? Man, this guy is so annoying. I wonder if he's going to sword dance again. Or if he's just going to... Did you know that you have a choices card? Just saying. Please go for the whirlwind. You will make me happy. No, you go for toxic. Hello? Pressure. He's not even. He doesn't even have multi-scale. He has pressure. That Lugia is dead. Or I think Lugia can live one, but yeah. That is the only thing that stopped me from sweeping. That Deoxys. He picked in my Jirachi, not bad. Now let's go for Tentacruel. There's a reason I carry Speedy Beast on this thing, and it's for that thing, for Lugia. He outspeeds me because he has Speedy Beast, but a normal Lugia, not a retarded one like this one, it's outsped because it tends to carry 16 EVs. No, I carry 16 EVs for Mamoswine, but no one uses Mamoswine at all. So yeah, I just use that for Mamoswine. But he doesn't even have whirlwind. I mean, he doesn't even have multi-scale, which is really sad. He is toxic, that didn't matter because he's going to die regardless. Now he goes for Ice Beam. And let's see. Yes! It kills. Now you say GG, motherfucker. And yeah, well, let's see if we can get another battle with this thing. Okay, son. Oh, Cloyster. Goddamn. Man, Cloyster's a threat. It's a threat and a half. Groudon. My team is so weak to Groudon. Groudon walls Arceus. It walls Terrakion, it walls Jirachi, and can kill Tentacruel. And it heal itself with Palkia. Hey, using my YouTube bits. Thank you. Thank you. I tap it with one hand. If I seem slow, it's because of that. Look at that. That's just enormous. I'm really sure he's going to either set up a sub or just go for Drown Tail. I'm going to trick you. Now your Turtle is useless. My Jirachi is useless as well. But fuck, was not keeping. Jirachi, you're pretty much useless. Please freeze. Come on, freeze. I live! Yes! Freeze. No! You were supposed to be free. Shit! What does he has that can take a surf? Palkia. I can predict that and go for Thunder. Or just Ferrothorn. Ferrothorn was very common as well. Now he has to switch out. I'm going to break the Groudon or Palkia switch because I'm not switching. Yeah, you made a bad play. Oh, he has Lumberry. I don't give a fuck about Tentacruel. If my Tentacruel outsped it, it means my Kindra can. So, how much health his Ferrothorn is at? Now Ferrothorn can't switch in. Oh no! No! Fuck! Man. Well, it lived? Are you serious? That thing can live as Specs Drown Pulse. Is Kindra weak or what the fuck? Do I need this Kindra? I'm pretty sure. Does he has anything that wants to switch out? Cloyster is a threat, man. Just a gigantic threat. Let's go for Thunder. Yeah, Ferrothorn is dead. Man, that Palkia is... Ah, yes. You go to Palkia immediately. Please. Don't... Please be choice. Oh, wow! You don't really mean it, shut up. Oh man. Fuck! His whole team is weak to Stealth Rock. But I'm just going for Sonage. Just playing safe. No. Oh, no, no. Oh, thank you. Don't miss. Don't miss. It's into G. Yeah, you crit me. Nice. Oh, wow. Are you serious? Man, this makes me upset. He got a crit. Okay, this will be pretty much everything for today. See you later, guys. Bye.